Alright guys, I'm on a 73 Bassmaster Classic 47-year-old carpet. It's all coming up. I'm going to redo these floors. A couple soft spots. That one's kind of hard to see right there. Man, if y'all don't ever get one of these blades here, you are missing out. Trying to do this one-handed. And just like that. See how far I'm going? Absolutely crazy, guys. This thing is just chewing it up. Sorry about the light. As you can see, that's 4 layers of fiberglass. That's what happens when you put carpet on top of carpet. It doesn't dry up, rot your fiberglass, and you got a rotten boat. So I didn't think to start this, but whenever I started, but you know, 3 weeks in, I'll post some more when I get a little more progress. I'm gonna wind up stripping the glue, rhino lining the floor. I'm gonna build new cover. I'm gonna go new seats, and this is gonna be a seat as well. So, till the next time.